how to remove Powered by Shopify on your Shopify footer. So if you want to know how it's done, this video is for you. So let's first view our store in order to see what we're talking about. So here's our store, and when you head over to your footer right here, you should be able to see it's Powered by Shopify. Now, if you want to remove this, what you can do is you can head over to your dashboard, and under your online store, click on these three dots right here. Click on this Edit Default Theme Content, and then search in here for Powered. Now, once you have searched for this, you can see this one. So just click on this and put it in a space, as well as this one, and also this one right here. After that, save your progress. And in here, once it's been saved, head over to your preview again and refresh your site. Now, once it's been refreshed, as you can see, the Powered by Shopify has been removed on your footer and it will no longer appear. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like, below, or subscribe because this helps reach more people. See you soon!